Alright, so this is Nick.
Yep.
Gunplafan15.
Yep.
We had a big old thing going on where a lot of us, it was about 4, I think it was like 4 or 5 of us. It was 4, huh?
It was 4.
Yeah, 4 of us. We all basically built a kit for each other. Like one person, I would buy a kit, and then I would give it to him. He would build it for me, just as a token because we're all leaving, except for Arthur. He's going to just be miserable over here in Mississippi. So I built him a Tryon 3 with a customized color scheme, something that he actually enjoys. The paints, unfortunately, are garbage here because I was using testers. So some of the paint just kind of didn't come out as well. And you know, I in the last 6 hours, I built half the kit in 6 hours.
Holy crap.
So it was like priming, wait about 30 minutes, paint, wait a certain time, take it off the alligator clips, let it dry, paint on the next thing. So
even though you've had months.
I did. I had until November. I had from November, I think, that we bought it.
November, December, something like that.
Yeah, and it was always cold, and I was lazy, so those are my excuses. But the kit's actually over here, so let's go ahead and I wonder if I can switch it. No, I can't. Okay, so I can switch the camera. So you can go ahead and remove it at your will.
At my will.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Ooh. Looks very much like Voltron. That is cool.
It's not Voltron.
Voltron? What the... Oh, or were you trying to go for a Power Rangers one?
Yeah,
Megazord?
Megazord.
Okay, yeah, I can see that. well, I mean, Power Rangers Voltron.
I mean, yeah, it's almost the same color scheme, but...
Yeah. Ooh. Black.
But yeah, everything kind of came out, as far as the color scheme, it came out correct, but there's just some splotches here and there that if you really look close, you're going to go ahead and see. Mm-hmm. Especially with me doing the last 6 hours.
Dry enough
it's dry enough for you to pick up. I say just if you don't, I wouldn't move it as much because the paint might scrape on the other paint. Mm-hmm. But yeah.
Nice.
Is it kind of what you was hoping or wanting?
Yeah. Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, some parts got messed up. I mean, you can easily do it over again if you need to. Doing kind of like enhancement detailing.
No, I like it. I'm going to leave it like it is.
Alright. But, yeah, I already did like a whole bunch of close-up videos, so I'll overlay it over this video. But...
Oh, did you glue the hand on?
No, it's just a little peg.
Oh, okay. Cool. I like it. Yeah.
That's my token to you. I think it was like less than 24 hours in total time was this thing built. But definitely appreciate you, man. It's gonna be sad to see you go, but yeah, be sad to see you go. Sad to see myself go, but you know, we all got to move on. So
except for Arthur.
Except for Arthur, he's gonna be miserable. But if y'all can, go ahead and subscribe to Gunplafan15. I'll have his channel link in the bio. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully there'll be a reunion in the future.
Oh yes.
See y'all later.
See ya.
Bye.